Alright guys, we're still here. We're still cooking. Tonight, it's our last night here. We are doing a low country boil for the guys. We are just getting started. We just got the potatoes in there, got the lemons in there, got the onions in there. You have seen low country boil done on this before. So if you want the recipe, just run back through the videos, find it, and you'll get it right there. But anyway, guys, it's no coffee needed. Cooking along with Ironman Outdoors on a hog hunt here in Alabama, guys. Anyway, we have just been having a ball, having a blast, cooking, having a great time. I'll finish up a video a little bit about everything that we've cooked since we've been here. We haven't got videos of everything, but I'll give you a list of everything we've cooked. So anyway, guys, hang around, don't go anywhere. Now you're cooking, no coffee needed style.
Hey, I'm Patrick Tyndall with Ironman Outdoors. I'm also a fan and a subscriber to No Coffee Needed. I love Chad, what he does with his channel. Let me tell you a little bit about Ironman Outdoors. This started in my Sunday school class at a Baptist church in Columbia, South Carolina, and we take groups of guys on hunting and fishing retreats. So this weekend we're actually doing a hog hunt in Alabama. This fall we'll be doing about 25 different deer hunts in about 6 different states. We also do some fishing. And what we do is during the day we hunt or fish with the guys, and then in the evening we have what we call a manhood discussion. And we talk to guys about what it means to be a godly father, what it means to be a godly husband, what does a godly marriage look like, and we talk about some things that men struggle with, and the God who gives us victory over all of that. So connecting men to Christ in the outdoors is our mission, and check us out at ironmanoutdoors.org, or we have a big social media presence as well. You can look us up on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, and No Coffee Needed is awesome, so check them out too.
Hey guys, I'm Chad with No Coffee Needed. Thanks so much for coming back in. I just want to let you know right quick, we are in the middle of not Myrtle Beach. We are in South Alabama doing a hog hunt with Ironman Outdoors this week. And so anyway, I just wanted to show you, we got our pit boss covered up. We got our griddle right there. We got tons of other cooking stuff. Anyway, all the hunters will start arriving today about 1 o'clock. We'll get them in the stands, start hunting some hogs and all that good jazz. Anyway, hopefully we're gonna kill a few, gonna get them and show you how to cook a wild hog, field to fork, baby. Catch, clean, cook, wild hog, Ironman Outdoors, no coffee needed. Guys, hang out, don't go anywhere. Let's see what we got coming. Hey guys, it's me again. It is 9:45 here in South Alabama. It is already 85 degrees. David, Patrick, and I have already put out corn. Patrick's got this cool video coming out on Ironman Outdoors YouTube channel about a redneck sour mash hog bait. So anyway, he'll get that up. I'll let you know when it's coming. But guys, so now we're trying to get us something to eat right quick before everybody starts getting here between 12 and 1 o'clock. So what we're gonna do on the Blackstone, we're doing some pimento cheese burgers right quick. We're gonna do a few fries. That's what we're gonna do on Texas toast. There's our pimento cheese right there. So anyway, guys, that's what we're cooking. This is what we're doing. We've been wide open since 5 o'clock this morning trying to get corn out on stands to hunt tomorrow, checking cameras remotely for the other stands that they're gonna hunt this afternoon. But anyway, we are cooking, trying to get us something to eat right quick before all the hunters get here. We got 8 hunters coming, 11 of us total down here this weekend. So anyway, guys, hope we get a wild hog. We're gonna smoke it on the pit boss. Anyway, stay tuned, we got a lot more coming. All right, guys, we got the pimento cheese on the bread. We got it toasted. We're toasting it on the second side now. Our burgers are almost done. Fixing to throw that on that pimento cheese. Throw those sandwiches together. We're waiting on our fries to get done. Man, guys, I'm telling you, this is just beautiful property out here, and absolutely positively love being out here. These are great guys I'm hanging out with this weekend with Ironman Outdoors. Anyway, guys, just hang tight. We got a lot more cooking coming this week. Just a whole bunch of different stuff. Anyway, these were half-pound 80-20 ground beef balls that we seasoned up with SPG and a little Worcestershire sauce. This is our homemade pimento cheese. The bread is getting there, almost toasted on that side. Anyway, we're gonna throw it all together. Guys, I'm telling you, this is delicious. You need to cook it. No better way to cook There's no better way to cook for a group of guys than on a Blackstone. Guy, man, I'm telling you, you can just get a ton of stuff done. It's quick, it's easy, absolutely love it. I'm Chad, no coffee needed. Stick around, guys. We got a lot coming. All right, guys. Woo. Got a bee in my hat. You don't ever want that to happen. Anyway, a bee in the hat on a bald head is not good. Anyway, guys, we got this done. Look how amazing. Just check out that pimento cheese and how it's melted in there. Guys, we got the fries done. We're getting inside. We're gonna eat right quick. Get ready for the hunters. Guys, just say a quick prayer for us. Love you, mean it. No coffee needed. Hey guys, I'm back. We are cooking for all the hunters this afternoon. We're doing something similar we did for the Ironman guys this morning. We are doing 3/4 pound burgers right there on the Blackstone. We're gonna smash those out in just a second. We got French fries going. We also did a banana pudding. It's inside. There's the rest of our 80/20 3/4 pound beef balls. We got the burger sauce right there on Texas toast. Guys, you've seen me do this before. The epic grilled sandwich on the Blackstone. Anyway, that's what we're working on. Don't go anywhere. Now we're cooking. No coffee needed style. Woo-hoo! All right, guys, check out those burgers. They're ready to go. Fries are done, ready to go. We're gonna get inside, get these guys fed, and then we're gonna get them on the stand so they can start hunting some hogs. They've already sighted in their rifles. We're good to go. Anyway, guys, no coffee needed. Stay tuned. All right, guys, looks like it's about 10:56. Right at 11 o'clock. We got a hog down. David and Patrick went to go pick them up and get it ready. What we're doing is getting them some midnight snack ready. We're gonna do skillet fries. We've already cooked our bacon, fried our bacon right here. Then we took our peppers and onions, mushrooms, put them on there, getting those done. Check out over here in the pit boss. We got our potatoes working right there. Once all this is done, we'll get it all layered up and serve it to the guys at midnight for their midnight snack. That's when they're due. Midnight is when they're due to come in. So anyway, midnight is when 1 a.m. is when they're due to get in from the hog hunt, except for the one guy who's got his hog, went to go pick it up, and they'll get it hung up on this skinning rack right here. And then we will go from there. But anyway, guys, now you're cooking. No coffee needed style. So one of the guys got one. Come on in, no coffee needed nation. It is Friday morning. It is 6:30 a.m. Friday morning. I think it is the 20th. The 20th. And so anyway, we are getting ready. We killed 2 hogs last night, got those skinned, got them in the cooler. We got guys hunting with dogs this morning. We got a couple of guys in the stands. But anyway, we're trying to get ready for them to eat some lunch about 10:30 or 11 this morning as soon as they get back. And also we're getting supper ready, which will be pulled pork. We got 4 Boston butts sitting right there. We're throwing on the pit boss. Right now we're trying to get her up to 200 degrees. She's at 195. But anyway, guys, that's what's going on. We are having a ball in South Alabama, getting ready, Ironman Outdoors hog hunt. We're enjoying the heck out of cooking for this group of hunters. Guys, stick around, catch some more highlights. Be back in a little bit. You know what's going on. Hey, you know how to cook, right? You've seen the videos, you know all that sort of stuff. You know how to make pulled pork. Anyway, guys, just want to kind of let you know what we've got going on, what we're doing. Anyway, there it is. See you in a little bit. Woo, guys, there's no coffee needed, and we are still at the Ironman Retreat, the hunt. We've been hunting pigs. We have gotten 4 so far. Guys, it has been just phenomenal. 24 hours, 4 pigs. I want to show you right quick. We got about 80 pounds. We got him dressed out, thrown in here. What we did is we used 1 pound of pickling salt per 4 gallons of water, threw in some oranges, 3 bags of ice. Guys, we're gonna let that go overnight. So it's gonna be about 4 12, about 16 hours is how long that's gonna go, about 16 hours. So anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna take it, we're gonna throw it on the pit boss. And you can see we got some butts rolling right now. A couple of them are already at that 170 mark, wrapped them in tin foil. We got that up, that biggest one still hanging in there about 150. We'll give it a little while longer. But anyway, guys, that's what we got going on here at No Coffee Needed, Ironman Outdoors, South Alabama. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, guys. You're gonna absolutely love it. Guys, No Coffee Needed, still day 2, Southern Alabama. We got the pork butts done. Look at them, don't they look delicious? Got a little something to take home to Bo. Bo loves to cook. He loves to hang out with us when we're cooking. We couldn't bring him with us this weekend, but guys, we got something to take home to him. He's gonna greatly appreciate it. In the pit boss, we have got a cake that is rocking and rolling. Check that out. That is gonna be delicious. Got just a few more minutes. But anyway, guys, Southern Alabama, No Coffee Needed. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it has been about 18 hours. We've been letting this hog soak in ice cold water. What we did, just to recap what we did yesterday, Mike and Aaron went on a hog hunt yesterday morning with dogs. They got this little one. They got a couple of other hogs, but anyway, they got this little one. We're gonna put it on the pit boss today. But to recap what we did yesterday, we skinned it, gutted it, took its head off, took the feet and all off of it. We threw it in the cooler. We put in 1 pound of pickling salt per 4 gallons of water, threw it in there. Well, washed it down first, threw it in there, got the salt and the water, cold water mixed up, threw bags of ice in there. Then we cut up 6 big navel oranges, put those in there and let that run. So anyway, let it run, like I said, for about 18 hours now. Now we've got it out, we got it sitting right here, we got the pit boss running. Now we're gonna take an injection. And the reason we brined it overnight was to keep that moisture, build up the moisture content in this little pig. Because it's gonna dry out, doesn't have a high fat content. You can look at it and see, I mean, it's very lean. It's like a athlete when it's compared to pigs. I mean, when you go to the store and you buy regular pork or you buy a whole hog, it's got a lot of fat built in there, a lot of marbleization. Well, on these pigs, feral pigs, they don't have a whole lot of fat. So you've got to do something to make sure you retain that moisture while you're cooking it. So that's the reason, one reason we brined it overnight, so that it kind of build up that moisture content. And something else that we're gonna do is we're gonna take an injection and we're gonna inject it in all of the big meaty parts of the back, the front ham, all of that sort of stuff. We got a mixture of 50-50 apple juice and apple cider vinegar, and then we put in the rub that we're gonna use, mixed it in here. We're gonna inject this whole pig. Anyway, guys, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned, watch how we go. We got a couple of back straps off of another pig that we cut up last night. Anyway, let's get it. All right, guys, we got this pig all injected up. Now we're gonna take a little bit of rub, and the rub of your choice, whatever you wanna do. Now you don't have to put a rub on here if you don't want to. I mean, you've brined it, you've now injected it. If you wanna do a rub, that is totally up to you. You don't have to do a rub whatsoever. We chose to do it. If you're not gonna do it, what I do, if you're not gonna put a rub on here, I do suggest that you pat this thing down good and dry before you throw it on the smoker. But anyway, we're gonna just sprinkle this with a little rub. We're just using one kind of rub today. I know you can do whatever you want to. I know a lot of people like to layer their rubs. This is all we're doing. Commercial, store-bought, right out of the store. Not adding anything special to it. This is it. We're gonna do the same thing to these back straps we got here. Gonna coat these up really well. We did inject the back straps just like we did the pig. We could have trimmed this up a lot more. We could have taken our time, got this trimmed up a little bit more, made it look a little bit more presentable. But man, we're on a wild hog hunt in South Alabama. What the world? It's a bunch of guys. We're not here for presentation. We're here for taste, baby. That's what we're working on, trying to get a little taste. We're not worried about a whole lot of presentation. We're not in some competition. We're not trying to impress the neighbors. All we're trying to do is eat and enjoy a little wild hog. Man, that's all we're trying to do. All right, guys, we got her injected, we got her brined up, got her injected, got her rubbed down. We're gonna let it sit there for about 20 minutes. Pit Boss is ready. Check out the smoke. I will tell you what we've got. We went ahead and put down some tin foil in here. We wrapped that up around the edges. And the reason for that, we're gonna put this pig in here. We wanted to make sure that there was some tin foil down so that we could wrap this pig up in just a little while after it's been on there about 4 or 5 hours. What we'll do is we'll set it down one side, lay it on its back. 2 hours later, we'll come back, flip it on its belly so that it'll get plenty of smoke all the way around. But anyway, guys, that's what we've got going on. Hang around, come back in 20 minutes. We'll have the pig on the Pit Boss. Don't go anywhere. Now you're cooking. No coffee needed style. All right, guys, it's been 20 minutes. Roll this up. Take this pig. Looking gorgeous. Perfect fit in that Pit Boss. Just like that, we're gonna lay it on its side. I said we're gonna lay it on its back and then belly. We're just gonna lay it on that side just like that. Set this in here. We got this back rolled up so that smoke can come over. Got to have the front rolled up so the smoke can come over. Get in there, get all the way around it. Guys, that's what we got. We're gonna shut the lid, let it run 200 degrees for 2 hours, come back, flip it over, let that smoke get on the other side. Guys, we'll come back after 2 more hours, give it a look, see how she's looking. Anyway, that's where we are. Don't go anywhere. Ironman Outdoors, South Alabama. No coffee needed. We're coming to you, baby. Wild hog style. All right, guys, this is it. We go take this inside. We go give her a taste test. Look how golden brown she looks. That front little ham right there got just a little done, but that's okay. It's no big deal. We absolutely love it. We have been running this Pit Boss though, guys, 24 hours a day. This is day 4, nonstop. We have cooked so much stuff on this, but I think this right here is the best looking thing we've cooked all weekend. Wild hog, right off the hunt. Guys, let's get inside. Makes me want to do a little quick dance. But anyway, let's get inside, give her a quick taste test. Gonna let all the guys give this a try, see how she turned out. So come on, won't you join us?
What do we have here, Chad?
All right, guys, we are inside. Got this just off the Pit Boss. We're sitting here. We got David with us. I've been working Ironman Retreat this week with David, he and Patrick. Patrick's up here. Come on down here, Patrick. So they called and asked if we'd come down here and cook a little bit with Ironman Outdoors, and we're happy to do so. But one of the guys killed this little one yesterday morning, right? And so we put it in started to brine. Y'all saw all of that at the beginning. So anyway, we got it off the Pit Boss, got it inside. We're gonna give this a real quick taste. Just peel your piece off there, David and Patrick. Let's see what she tastes like.
Oh, Chad, that's good stuff, man.
All right, right there. I'm gonna get some off that front ham.
That's delicious.
Oh man, that turned out unbelievable. That right there is amazing. Guys, you gotta try this. I'm telling you, you go wild hog hunting. This is the way to do it. Best tasting hog, I promise. It's a little one. They're always tender. They always taste great. But man, just follow that recipe. We'll put that link down below. And until next time, now you're cooking. No coffee needed style.